Hey, what's going on, guys? Hess here, collectivekicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description. And happy shopping. Today's video, I wanted to bring you guys a look at this Air Max 720 in the new colorway that I was actually waiting for. Upon the announcement of the new model, this was actually the very first colorway that dropped, which is the first one that I bought, but it wasn't the preferred colorway that I wanted. So actually the one in this box is. So let's go ahead and show you guys what we have here. Just a note though, I will be doing an after wearing the Air Max 720 pros and cons video on the channel, so check back very soon. And if you guys hear some background noise, my wife and kid are in the other room and the little baby is sick. It really sucks, man. She has RSV, I believe it's called. Unfortunately my son had it and I was sick for a while with bronchitis and nasal infection, and it's just been a crazy month, man. But unfortunately she's really sick. Hopefully she gets better real soon. But Air Max 720 in this box, and you can see this is the color right here. It actually came with orange laces also if you wanted to change it up, but this is the sunset color of the Air Max 720. Very first thoughts of the shoe when I saw it, I knew I wanted to do this customization, and it's really simple, so I'll show you guys that here in a second. But one thing I did want to note is that these two models, even though it's the same model, the materials are completely different. This one on the very first colorway is actually really nice. It has this crazy little weird mesh type of stuff. The sunset one though is just like a neoprene upper. It's nothing fancy comparison to this one. Also, you have an iridescent little glow around this little boomerang here, and this one is just black, flat black material. Even the inside part here is a mesh material versus this is just the neoprene material itself. I also noticed that this material right here is actually rubberized, and then on this one it has a sparkly sort of hardened material, but it is not rubberized like the one on the other pair. So kind of interesting the way that that worked out, and you can see the soles, a little bit of a difference with that orange on the bottom here, and also black traction and not the clear of the first colorway. So actually the first colorway has a lot of accents on it and stuff that I really dig. The sunset color one though, it kind of feels like almost like a knockdown version of that one over there, which was interesting. I didn't really think that that would be a thing, but regardless of that, the custom that I want to do is really simple. Just involves something simple like this, a craft for all pen. This is a fabric pen for clothing and stuff, and all I'm going to do is actually just fill in these lines and turn them black, because I thought that this would look way better than the debossed lines all over the shoe that really make no sense. I figured it would look way doper if you filled in these lines black, so that's what I'm going to do right now for you guys real quick. Alright, so here's the final results of the custom, and I have to say I like it better, especially from a distance, but when you pull it up close, you can see I definitely had some flaws when I was trying to use that pen. So the fabric pens that I use were not the best. I'll link them in the description. I just got them from Amazon, but you could use a Sharpie. Honestly, the lines were easier to use with the Sharpie, and actually I did a little bit of a mock test on this shoe here with the Sharpie around and filled it in the black. It doesn't look as noticeable though, because these ones are kind of debossed in a darker material, so it kind of looks like it's just naturally part of the shoe. This one, however, though, I think looks crazy. So it should be no surprise, but I was really trying to mimic this shoe right here. This is one of my favorite OGs that I finally got in my collection the end of 2018, and you can actually get these for like $128 on sale from places like Foot Locker and stuff like that. And I'll try to link some in the description if you're interested. OG colorway, super huge fan of these back in the day. didn't get the originals, and so this was the first time I finally got these recently. But this is kind of the sunset or tiger colorway of the tuned air, and I just thought this one looked so fresh. I loved the details of this shoe and how crazy it looked. So I thought this would be kind of a remixed version of that, and it kind of has that same sort of vibe. But as you can see next to each other, this one actually is a lot more vibrant than this one. This has like a lot of orange fade from light to dark, as you could see here. But it doesn't have that vibrant pop as the tuned air does. So kind of cool though, and fun to be able to mimic the style. I mean, even though it didn't come out perfectly, it was a fun attempt to try to recreate something that I really loved. And there was a reason why I saw this colorway when it first dropped and was like, this doesn't feel right. And now this looks like a little bit better in my opinion. And again, from a distance it looks really fresh. Up close I definitely messed up quite a bit with the lines and stuff on here. But leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what do you guys think of this updates to the shoe. Do you think I made it worse? Do you think I made it better? Because of the lines being so sloppy, it could almost look like a sketch because I really messed these up. This is the second shoe. The first one right here I did way worse on. You can see even like right here, I mean totally messed it up. And it was difficult to do honestly, but it was a fun attempt. I literally had to get these made as soon as I got the shoes for the unboxing, which is why you get both in one video. But that is the video. Have you guys tried the Air Max 720s yet or not? Leave a comment in the comment section, let me know. But I will have a follow-up video very soon for my pros and cons and if these are worth buying or not. Pro tip for those that are looking though, I personally went true to size on the original pair. I went up a half a size on this colorway, and I actually prefer up a half a size. The other one was just a little bit too snug for my feet right here, so I definitely prefer going up a little bit of a size. But that is the video though. Hopefully you guys like the simple custom. I mean, it was just a couple bucks to do, but it was definitely labor intensive to get the lines as close to good as I could. And there is the final results, and I like the results. I think they look way different. Nike, maybe you should do that. It would be cool to see on a future pair, because I feel like this model has a lot of potential if you could do some really cool throwbacks like this with the uppers. Like you really made some dope uppers with the Air Max Plus and the Air Max Deluxe. I think that this is an open canvas for you guys to go crazy on, especially with all of this crazy texture that you guys added to the shoe. But that's the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new to the channel. Notification bell to be notified of when my videos go live. And thank you so much for watching. We will catch you guys for some more sneaker videos very soon. Peace, guys.